Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL, the final year for the 560 SL, the most sought after year. Beautiful 18,000 mile car, very well known to us. We will do a cold start, tell you all about it. So here we are in our 1989 560 SL, 18,390 miles from new. Truly a great car. We've known this car for quite a long time. Sold it and serviced it in the past. We'll do a little cold start here. She fires right up. Little high idle. We will warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, we'll give it a little test here. We'll see how it is having the camera mounted on the back tonneau. Any vibrations. Really nice car. Spectacular day out for a convertible. Again, 89 560 SL. It's black metallic over beige leather. Some people call it mushroom leather, but it is beige leather on the build sheet. Again, 18,000 miles, always serviced. Really nice example. The final year of this iteration. Quintessential SL, factory matching colored hardtop, black soft top. Everything works really well in the car. It's got a modern Alpine. Comes with the original Becker. AC. Antennas up.
To nourish good bacteria, probiotics to help relieve occasional bloating.
Shut that off, lower the antenna. Car is just really nice example. Besides the great color combination, great ownership, great provenance, great condition throughout. Really the way to buy a car. Nice cold AC, interior lights work, rear defroster works, although at the moment it doesn't. Only works with the hardtop. Great gauge layout in these cars. Got some temp in her now. Open her up a little bit here. Kick down. Oh yeah. Still even some great pickup. 5.6 liter V8. 4-speed automatic. Very docile, but still great pickup. Come down here through the S's a little bit. Good responsive handling, great brakes. Not a rattle to be heard either. Got mechanical seats front to back. You got height adjustment in the seats as well. Great Mercedes horn. Great lookout over that long hood. Great little exhaust note. Nothing too loud at all, but you just hear a little bit of exhaust note from that V8. But this car isn't that kind of car where you want to hear an exhaust. Ride is buttery smooth, as you'd expect from a car like this with this kind of mileage. Feels excellent throughout. Steering response, brakes, no creaks or rattles. Really such a spectacular day out today. These are days that are made for a convertible. Well, hope you guys enjoyed those flybys. I definitely did. Again, in our 560 SL, very well known to us, collector ownership throughout. It was purchased originally from Hatch, and collector ownership with other Mercedes. Then went to another collector with a large German collection, and really just been taken care of its entire life. Whether it needed oil change, filters, tires, from lack of use. Just had all new seals on the top, hard top and soft top installed, just because they were fraying a little bit. Kind of just blends with the type of ownership this car has had. We'll take it up to the farm road and we'll open her up a little bit. All right, here we are on the farm road. Step on it a little bit. Again, a little bit of an exhaust note, just what you'd expect. Car pulls great, no hesitation whatsoever. Really great car. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment as well. And thank you for watching, and we will definitely catch you on the next one.